Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. We're jumping right back into this trailer smoker, trying to get it finished up. This is just getting the table put on the side of it. It's getting pretty close to being done now. Here I'm just getting the door ready for it. I believe this was a firebox door. Or actually, this is one of the chamber doors. And this is the other door on there. This is the holes that get drilled in there for the latches and do the holes for the temp gauges at the same time. This is one of those Harbor Freight drill presses. It's been a good press though. I mean, I got problems with stuff shaking, bolts and stuff shaking loose here and there. But other than that, it's been a real good drill press. Getting the doors put on. I just put a couple tacks on there first to make sure everything's right, and then I go ahead and weld them up. That's pretty much it on the build of it. I know I skipped around a whole lot on this thing. So I'm gonna get it ready for paint. This is a 30 by 30 cabinet smoker. Here's a name cut out that he wanted to get done for it. Most of it's plasma cut. A lot of it where I can get in with a grinder, I just do it with a grinder. As I get some pieces cut out and stuff, I'll go ahead and I'll start cleaning those up before I finish cutting it. Since the piece is more stable, more solid, before it's all cut out, it's easier with those hand files and stuff to get in there. And this is the HTP micro cut plasma. Finish those last few pieces with the grinder. A lot of times it's just easier and cleaner to get in there with that grinder if you can. Then this is the rest of it. It says Dove Club. And same process on here. Just cutting little pieces out at a time, moving around a lot, so it's not getting too hot. And that's abrasives from Empire Abrasives. I've been getting most of mine from there lately. Black Hawk abrasives. Getting the first coat of paint on it. After that dries, I'll come back and get another coat on there. While the paint's drying over there, I'm getting the next one started. I had the chamber tacked up already. I'm getting it welded out. This one's for a 40 by 20 reverse flow. All right, I got everything put back together on here. Paint's all dried up and everything. It's finished up and ready to go. It's the 30 by 20 cabinet smoker, trailer mounted. This one had some temp ports added to it on the side. It comes with that basket on the back. Has 4 racks inside the water pan. It's built with 1/4 inch steel. It has a griddle top on the firebox right there. It can have a cooking grate also, or it can have both. You can have the cooking grate up under there. The firebox has the coal basket and the ash pan in it. If you're looking to order a smoker, I'll leave my email in the description box. You can shoot me a message and let me know what you're looking for. I guess that'll just about do it on this video, y'all. But like I say, if you're looking for a smoker, shoot me an email, a grill, Santa Maria grill, anything like that. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next one.